Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by interrupting the running kernel. This stops code execution without losing state. First, save your work with file right arrow save or Ctrl+S so you have a recovery point. Then, choose kernel right arrow interrupt or press I twice quickly. That sends a Sigint-style stop to the process. Once done, check the in asterisk indicator. If it returns to a number, execution stopped. Make sure to inspect output and variables, because interrupting can leave partially updated state. If interrupting fails, restart or shut down the kernel to fully stop activity. Choose kernel right arrow restart to clear state and halt execution, which solves hung loops. Next, go to the Jupyter dashboard, find the Running tab, and click Shut Down on the specific notebook kernel to terminate it gracefully. For stubborn servers, switch to the terminal where you started Jupyter and press Ctrl+C once or twice, or run Jupyter Notebook, stop and specify the port. These steps free the CPU. When graceful shutdowns fail, find the offending process and force kill it. On Mac OS/Linux, use PS or top to get the PID, then run kill PID or kill -9 PID to force termination. On Windows, use Task Manager or taskl/f/PID PID. Once killed, restart the Jupyter server and reopen notebooks. Make sure autosave is enabled so you lose minimal work. If you see this repeatedly, update Jupyter, inspect extensions, and reboot the machine as a last resort troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.